Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fabulous fashion choices of none other than the stunning Kriti Sanom Part 3. Kriti often opts for stunning lehengas that accentuate her curves and allow for effortless movement during her dance performances. She chooses vibrant colors like royal blue, fiery red, or elegant pastels, adorned with intricate embroidery or sequin work, adding a touch of glamour to her look. When it comes to contemporary dance routines, the actress leans towards flowy gowns that swirl beautifully with every step. She selects designs that feature interesting cuts, asymmetrical hemlines, or statement sleeves, ensuring both comfort and style while she glides across the dance floor. For upbeat and energetic dance numbers, the beauty often pairs chic crop tops with flowy palazzos. She experiments with different textures and prints, adding a playful vibe to her ensemble. Sometimes she opts for bold colors and accessorizes with statement jewelry to enhance the overall look. Known for her fusion style, Kriti occasionally incorporates saris into her dance performances. She chooses modern interpretations of this traditional attire, such as pre-draped saris or sari gowns, which allow for freedom of movement while maintaining the elegance of the drape. Kriti isn't afraid to mix comfort with style, often pairing her dance outfits with trendy sneakers or edgy boots. This unconventional choice adds a contemporary twist to her look and allows her to execute intricate dance moves with ease. Whether it's chunky earrings, layered necklaces, or embellished hair accessories, the actress knows how to elevate her dance outfits with the right accessories. She pays attention to detail, ensuring that each accessory complements her ensemble and adds an extra sparkle to her performance. Kriti embraces the versatility of jumpsuits for her dance routines, opting for sleek and streamlined designs that allow her to move freely while maintaining a sophisticated edge. She often chooses jumpsuits with interesting details like cutouts, sequins, or sheer panels, making a bold statement on stage. Adding layers to her dance outfits, the beauty sometimes goes for the combination of layered skirts paired with form-fitting bodysuits. This combination offers a balance of movement and structure, allowing her to showcase her dance skills while maintaining a sleek silhouette. The actress effortlessly blends athleisure elements into her dance fashion, incorporating sports bras, leggings, and oversized jackets for a modern and edgy look. She embraces bold patterns, neon hues, and metallic accents, creating visually striking outfits that reflect her dynamic dance style. For special performances or events, Kriti collaborates with designers to create customized costumes that perfectly complement the theme and mood of her dance routine. From elaborate feathered ensembles to futuristic metallic outfits, she isn't afraid to push the boundaries of fashion to create memorable moments on stage. Embracing her roots in Bollywood, the actress occasionally channels classic glamour in her dance fashion, donning traditional yet stylish ensembles reminiscent of iconic Bollywood heroines. She opts for intricate embellishments, timeless silhouettes, and rich fabrics like velvet or silk, paying homage to the golden era of Indian cinema while adding her own modern twist. Her greatest fashion accessory on the dance floor is her confidence and charisma. Whether she's performing on stage or in front of the camera, her infectious energy and magnetic presence shine through, making every outfit she wears truly come to life. Kriti occasionally adds a touch of drama to her dance fashion with layered fringe dresses. These eye-catching outfits feature tiers of fringe that sway and move with her every step, creating mesmerizing visual effects on stage. She chooses vibrant colors like electric blue or fiery red to accentuate the dynamic nature of her performances. Drawing inspiration from the glamour of the past, the actress incorporates retro elements into her dance fashion. She embraces vintage silhouettes such as high-waisted shorts, crop tops, and flared pants, infusing them with a modern twist through bold prints, metallic accents, or unexpected color combinations. Her dance fashion often reflects her eclectic taste by seamlessly blending ethnic and contemporary elements. She experiments with fusion wear such as dhoti pants paired with crop tops, or embellished jackets worn over traditional skirts, creating dynamic and culturally rich ensembles that celebrate her Indian heritage while embracing global influences. Adding flair to her dance outfits, the beauty occasionally incorporates dramatic capes or shawls into her ensemble. Whether it's a flowy chiffon cape for a romantic ballad or a sequin shawl for a high-energy number, these statement pieces add movement and theatricality to her performances, enhancing the overall visual impact. The beauty showcases her fashion versatility by mixing and matching separates to create unique dance outfits. She pairs crop tops with high-waisted skirts, or embellished jackets with sleek leggings, allowing for endless combinations that showcase her creativity and sense of style. Kriti isn't afraid to have fun with her dance fashion by incorporating whimsical accessories into her looks. From feathered headpieces to oversized bows and sparkly hairpins, she adds playful touches that add an element of fantasy and charm to her performances, capturing the audience's imagination. The actress explores innovative fabric manipulation techniques to add texture and visual interest to her dance outfits. She incorporates elements like ruching, pleating, or draping to create dynamic silhouettes that enhance her movements and create captivating visuals on stage. Breaking away from traditional dance attire, Kriti sometimes opts for tailored suits or blazers for her performances. The actress often opts for a fresh and dewy complexion as the base for her makeup look. She focuses on achieving a radiant glow by using hydrating primers, luminous foundations, and illuminating highlighters to enhance her natural beauty and create a youthful, glowing complexion. Her makeup routine includes perfectly groomed brows that frame her face and add structure to her features. She prefers a soft, natural arch achieved with precise brow pencils or gels, enhancing her eye area without overpowering her overall look. She uses liquid or gel liners to create precise, elongated wings that lift and define her eyes, adding sophistication to her overall makeup aesthetic. Kriti emphasizes her eyes with fluttery lashes that enhance her natural lashes and add volume and length. She often opts for wispy false lashes or volumizing mascara to achieve a fluttery, doll-like effect that complements her eye makeup and completes her look. The actress adds a flush of color to her cheeks with soft, rosy blushes that impart a natural and youthful glow. She prefers peachy pink or rose-toned blushes applied to the apples of her cheeks, blending seamlessly into her skin for a fresh and healthy complexion. Keeping the focus on her eyes, the actress often chooses nude or neutral lip colors that enhance her natural lip shape and complement her overall makeup look. She opts for creamy or matte lipsticks in shades of soft pink, peach, or beige, adding subtle definition to her lips without overpowering her eye makeup. For a touch of glamour and shine, Kriti occasionally swaps her matte lipsticks for glossy finishes that add dimension and luminosity to her lips. She chooses clear or tinted lip glosses with high shine formulas, creating a plump and luscious pout that enhances her overall makeup look. The actress enhances her facial features with subtle contouring and highlighting techniques that add dimension and luminosity to her complexion. She uses matte contour powders to sculpt her cheekbones and define her jawline, while applying luminous highlighters to the high points of her face for a lit-from-within glow. The actress often opts for a sleek high ponytail for a polished and sophisticated look. She gathers her hair at the crown of her head and secures it tightly with a hair tie, smoothing down any flyaways for a sleek finish. This hairstyle not only keeps her hair out of her face during dance performances but also adds a touch of elegance to her overall look. Embracing effortless chic, Kriti occasionally rocks a messy bun hairstyle that exudes laid-back charm. She gathers her hair into a loose bun at the nape of her neck, allowing a few strands to fall loosely around her face for a relaxed and romantic vibe. This versatile hairstyle complements both casual and formal dance routines, adding a touch of whimsy to her performance. For a beachy and relaxed look, the beauty styles her hair in textured waves that evoke a carefree and bohemian aesthetic. She uses a curling wand or braids to create loose waves throughout her hair, adding volume and movement to her locks. This effortlessly chic hairstyle perfectly complements her free-spirited personality and adds a playful element to her dance performances. The actress often embraces the half-up half-down hairstyle for a playful and youthful look. She gathers the top section of her hair and secures it with a hair tie or clip, leaving the rest of her hair loose to cascade down her back in soft waves or curls. This versatile hairstyle allows her to keep her hair out of her face while still showcasing its length and texture. Adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to her look, Kriti occasionally opts for a braided updo hairstyle. She intricately weaves her hair into braids and twists, securing them into an elegant updo at the back of her head. This timeless hairstyle exudes grace and refinement, making it perfect for formal dance performances or red carpet events. The actress channels classic glamour with a sleek low bun hairstyle that exudes sophistication and poise. She gathers her hair into a low bun at the nape of her neck and secures it tightly for a sleek and polished finish. This timeless hairstyle complements her elegant dance routines and adds a touch of old Hollywood glamour to her overall look. Opting for a trendy and modern look, Kriti occasionally rocks a top knot hairstyle that exudes youthful energy and style. She gathers her hair into a high ponytail at the crown of her head and twists it into a voluminous bun, securing it with pins for a chic and effortless look. This stylish hairstyle adds a playful element to her dance performances and showcases her fashion-forward sensibility. For a glamorous and voluminous look, the beauty styles her hair in bouncy curls that exude timeless elegance and sophistication. So, whether she's gracing the red carpet or stepping out for a casual outing, Kriti Sanon never fails to impress with her impeccable fashion choices. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.